Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to fix the problem of the picture that doesn't appear in the artwork in Illustrator. So let's go. Hi again. Sometimes when you open the file you already can put the photo inside or place the photo, and when you open it you find this message. That means the photo which you placed is not there, or you don't find it. The reason of this problem that you change it the photo's path or the photo name. Photo's path, that means you are moved the photo from file to file, from folder to folder, or from place to place. This not readable directly or automatically by Illustrator, so you have to place again, or not place again, but relink again the photo with the file you created, or you named for some reason the photo you used to place. For example, for some reason you choose to or decide to rename the photos in your folder or something like that. So you have to relink. In both cases you have to relink the photo with the new position or the new name of the picture. So now after you have this window, you will have three options here: cancel, ignore, or place. So just here make replay and see here is the photo which already linked name here, and now I change it here to, instead of A19 to A19AA. So just click here in the picture, click place, and now you have the photo. We'll place it again. One more thing, there's another option here, it's apply to all. We have to, if you have many pictures inside the file and these pictures all have been changed, or its location changed, so that means you need to replace or relink the whole pictures which exist in this file. So instead do it photo by photo. Just click here, apply to all, and then replace, and go to the picture you are going to relink again, and see if here, if for example you have many pictures inside the file here, so just relink one of them and then replace. So the picture here, and if you have another pictures inside the file, you will see this is already linked. So the second option is to see the file name which Illustrator needs it, and see here in our case it will be A19. So we go to the file or the folder which contains the photos you are going to place or going to draw, and in our case here we see it is changed from A19 to A19AA. So we name it again to A19 and A. Good again with so in this case we click cancel, So the file will be closed. Then we go again to our folder and open it again. So now the photos appear. So the first option is to relink the file to the new position or to the new renamed file, which is easier. Or the second is to rename again the photo to be the same linked photo name in the Illustrator. But as we see, it is more complicated, so it is better to make relink the photo with each new new position or a new name. Thank you for watching this video. It is my pleasure to read your comments, and see you in the next video. Bye.